was all this noise this morning?
Really? God, all these up and at 'em guys. Ooh, I'm glad I'm not one of them.
I guess they just trying to beat the heat.
Yeah.
But it's loud.
Yeah.
And it's early.
Yeah.
It's time to take Ruby out for a ride. Good afternoon, Ruby. Weatherbug says it's 91 but feels like 101. I don't know that I thought it was that oppressive when I walked to the garage. We've got storms in the area, so I'm probably just going to play pogo for a bit and come back to the house. I had thought about going up to Holly Springs and maybe going to that Walmart or that Goodwill that's up that way, but I'm leaning toward just pogo and back home. There's a pretty good sale moving up from Sanford. Very few people up here at South Park. And the grass still looking very green. Well, the severe thunderstorm alert went up, and I can see this first of about 3 storm cells headed our way, getting pretty close, and my radar said I've got like 20 minutes. So nothing like being stressed while you're trying to not be stressed and just enjoy yourself. It's just the hail concern. Well, and I probably wouldn't want to be out driving around in a severe thunderstorm if it was truly severe. Seems like they do a lot of warning and we don't get a lot of action, which is a lot better than a lot of warnings and a lot of action. But, you know, if they would just really tell me when I really need to know, then that would be, the more they can improve that, the better. Let's just leave it there. Yeah, bye-bye sunshine. Hello, storm clouds. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
What you up to?
I just need to whack off a few inches off of this piece of scrap here.
For your electronics simulation, or?
No, I'm going to put this under that cabinet that's over there by the charger for Jules.
Uh-huh.
And to put the weight on the front of the 2 front legs. And then the back legs will basically be off the ground and leaning up against the wall. That'll stop it. It'll make it more stable so it won't tip forward.
I gotcha. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
I am pleased with how the painting on my fairy gardens turned out. I've got to put some white spots on this mushroom, but this one's ready to find a spot outside. I've been practicing piano.
Yes, this sounded really good
Mostly
too.
Ice Castles and the Entertainer.
Right.
Don's back working on his setup here, his test setup, and I'm going to go in the house and I am going to take down 4th of July.
Oh.
It's time.
Yeah.
It's time.
Well, it'll be time for Halloween in no time.
That'll put me in a good mood.
Yeah,
I like Halloween.
It's your favorite time of the year.
Well,
Almost.
it's one I like. It's hard not to like fall.
Yeah.
And cooler temps,
Yeah.
and all the things that come along with Halloween.
Right.
Let's just leave it there.
I understand.
It is raining out here now, just a little, and all kinds of sticky. And my buddy, he's nice and dry under the bench since it's not blowing. So I'm going to leave him down there and not encourage him to move. He didn't listen though. Yeah, it's time to take down red, white, and blue until next year. It is coming down now pretty good, and my buddy's up there sleeping on the platform. So during the hot month of August, we have cool blue and green tones and butterflies. This tablecloth is a Lennox tablecloth with matching napkins, and I picked that up at Guardian Angel about 4 weeks ago. I think the first time back shopping there with Michelle. And, you know, of course, the plates came from there pretty recently, too. And most of the other stuff on the table, minus the obvious things like not the Echo Show, they came from Guardian Angel at one time or another. I also have, and this is really cool, some real butterfly wings. These came from the Museum of Life and Science in Durham. When they were starting out with the butterfly house, they used to regularly give these little plastic containers away to the children. We have quite the collection. That was really awesome of them to do that. This one, of course, is a collection of many, and these are full specimens. But I think that's pretty cool to add something I haven't. I don't think I've ever displayed them before because they were such a keepsake for me. But, and anyway, you know, I tend to add stuff and stuff tends to collect on the table both ways. And, but here it is what it is for now. Did you guys survive that rain? Rain and thunder, it was pretty serious for a while. It was pretty serious for a while. Okay. You're a good boy. I think it's safe to come down, at least for a little bit. Hey, Gray. Are you out here having a personal party in the dark?
That's right. Partying in the dark.
Wow, that's a bunch of electrical stuff there.
Yeah.
How's it going? Do I want to know?
Yeah, absolutely. It's going good.
Okay. I got my table done.
Good girl.
The theme is butterflies.
Yeah, well, that's good. Well, I've made room in this box. I think it's tight.
I bet.
Everything is always tight. There's never no loose. Someday I'm going to have loose. I don't know when that's going to be, but
extra.
yeah, someday it'll be extra room and everything.
We had 1/4 of an inch of rain. It's clearing now. I don't know if we're done or not. Don called me and said he's got something to show me out here.
That's right. Let's see. Okay. Turn on Ruby's side.
Okay.
Cool. Turn on center.
Okay. Way cool.
And then of course you can turn them off with the
Switch.
light switches. So,
Way cool.
yeah.
So you ended up having enough room,
Right.
which is why you were able to work on it today versus having to wait.
Right. That extra deep box. I got to thinking that I said the two were over here. Anyway, the bottom line is yes. I was able to get it all fit in there. It was tight. I admit it, but it wasn't unreasonably tight. I fought more wires. Or fought wires. Of course, these are 14, so you know they're a little bit more bendy than those 12s. When you get short on room with number 12 wire in there, it gets really hard to bend those little babies around. But 14 bends pretty easy, so you can make it go really well. But anyway,
So we'll be doing Jules's side.
yes, absolutely. That's,
Although we found out that using the word Jules or Jules's for commands on A wasn't working too good.
right. Well, I've named it Dawn's side.
Okay.
Yeah. And so actually, the bottom line is I think it'll be fine.
So just a quick update. We still cannot access Jules from the Tesla app. I was busy this afternoon.
Yeah.
Don was busy. We didn't call Tesla. I'm sure it's going to get sorted out.
Yeah.
We are headed to my chiropractor in the morning and then over to Johnny's school to pick up MVP math stuff and whatever else they want to send him for use. That noon is our designated pickup time. So tomorrow we'll kind of be making a trip like we would be making if it was a normal school day, although thankfully not quite that early.
Right.
We had some really intense rain this afternoon, and it looks like we're going to get another round. So hopefully in the morning it'll be dry. Yeah.
Right.
And we had a great over 2-hour video conference call tonight with Triangle Tesla owners. There was a lot of talk about energy, like time of use sort of stuff. And then really made our day. Kyle got on from Colorado.
Yeah.
He's we're keeping Don up against his good time again. Kyle is back from New York back to Colorado. He's back with Alyssa. they're getting ready for more adventures, and he hopped on the call for a little bit, and
we got caught up.
Yeah, we got caught up. It was really great to get to chat with him a little bit, even in, well, it was in the group setting. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update on how our evening ended.
Yep.
Okay, for all you people that wanted to see Don put his foot in it.
Here we go. That was 60.
Yep. I hear you. That was pretty instantaneous. Yeah, it put a smile on my face. I had my amusement park ride for the day. Right. Thank you.
I had to put my head on the seat. You do not want to.
Yeah, but it's no fun showing them getting your neck jerked back if you put your head all the way back.
But no, I started off with my neck off the headrest, but very quickly I decided to just let it touch the headrest because it was actually kind of straining the little muscles at the front of my neck.